Hello guys. If your hotel collection diffuser is showing a red flashing light and not working the way it should, this is usually a signal that the system has detected a problem and stopped normal operation. Instead of running continuously, the diffuser pauses itself to avoid damage when something is not set correctly. This can happen if the internal airflow is disturbed, the oil is not moving properly, or the unit is not getting the right conditions to function. You might see the light flashing again and again without any scent coming out, which makes it seem like a serious issue. However, in most situations, this is just the diffuser reacting to a small setup or maintenance problem. Once you correct that issue, the diffuser goes back to normal very quickly. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a hotel collection diffuser flashing red light in a different and effective way. Try these. 1. Reset the hotel collection diffuser by turning the hotel collection diffuser off and leaving it unplugged for a short time. 2. Take out the oil bottle from the hotel collection diffuser and inspect it for proper alignment. 3. Make sure the oil bottle of the hotel collection diffuser is not overfilled or tilted. 4. Place the hotel collection diffuser in an open area to allow proper airflow around the unit. 5. Turn on the hotel collection diffuser and switch between settings to restart its cycle. 6. Observe the hotel collection diffuser for a few minutes and confirm the red light no longer flashes.